This color specifically just stole my heart. What's up, chickies? Today I thought I would just share a really quick what's in my spring pink bag. This is one of the latest additions to my little Kate Spade obsession. I think you know I'm so just over the moon with Kate Spade purses. I wanted to share with you my pink spring purse and what's inside of it, what it holds, and I have been using it now for roughly around a few weeks, so I can give you some feedback on it and all that good stuff. With that being said, in case you're new here, I'm Christine and this channel is dedicated to all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogs. Would greatly appreciate it if you would please subscribe and be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos, and if you enjoy these types of videos, please make sure you give it a like. Here is my beautiful pink Kate Spade bag. And this one is called the Carey Small. It does have the quilted leather. Buckle detail is the one that really got me. I think that's what makes it a bit different. I love how it has the Kate Spade logo. Also really appreciate how it's in gold. The leather is pretty soft, but it is a structured bag, so it does hold its shape. Now this can be worn a couple different ways. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it over the shoulder. So I'll kind of just show you how it looks over the shoulder, which I really do like. Or you could also wear it crossbody, which also really do appreciate. The hardware is gold, and it also does have a shoulder strap, which is really important because it really puts a lot of pressure and it leaves a mark on your shoulder when it's just a chain. So love how it does have the shoulder strap. If you look at it at the top, it is attached to the bag, so you can't take this out, which is quite all right with me because you can still wear this a couple different ways. But this color specifically just stole my heart. Turn down the brightness because I felt like it was a little bit too bright. Right here on the side, it does have two buttons. So all you do is just squeeze it, and then it unlatches, which is great because you know your stuff is secure in here and it's not just gonna fall out. And it does hold quite a bit of stuff. This doesn't have any feet. Top portion is that beautiful pink leather, and you also have a front pocket. Now in the front pocket, I'll share with you what I keep in here. Just have a Hello Kitty mirror, you know, just to see how the makeup looks. Have my keys with, of course, the pepper spray, Lumify eye drops, some tissue, fragrance of the day, which is Kayali's Yum Pistachio Gelato, Bath & Body Works Gingham Vibrant hand cream, Blink eye drops, one size translucent powder. Almost forgot the powder brush. Powder brush should be in there as well. Rosary, hand sanitizer, and then of course we have the Kate Spade wallet, which I did film a whole unboxing of this, I believe sometime last year, but it does fit quite nicely in here. I'm gonna link that video right up here in case you're interested if you want to check it out. So that's what basically fits inside this area. It is lined with the beige Kate Spade lining, and then you also have a zippered pocket right here in the back. So when you unzip it, which I already zipped it, in here we have some blotting sheets, lash glue, two lip products, the Wet n Wild Lock and Shine lip color, Mega Last, lip liner, LA Girl in Gingerbread, one of my favorites, and what else do we have in here? REM Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss, and then I believe this one is from Lawless, Pink Marshmallow. So that's what fits inside the bag. And then you also have another compartment in the back, and this actually fits your phone perfectly. So this is my phone, slides right in. Let me just put my case so you can see how well it actually fits in here. So that's where I keep my phone, is in this back pocket, so it's accessible. Overall, I have been using this purse for about 3 weeks now, And I have to say, I really do think it's a good addition. I love how it does come in a couple different color variations in case pink isn't your thing. They also have some neutral colors that you can mix and match with different outfits. But this was a good addition. Love the quilting. I think that's the one thing that really stood out to me. Besides this logo in the front, gave me an inspired look, a little bit more elevated. And it definitely dresses up your outfit because of the quilting. Now, as for staining, have gotten little makeup stains on this, whether it's lash glue, some makeup. I just took a damp cloth with a bit of just very light, mild soap and then gently wiped it off. I've had no problem with it. It's still in very, very good condition. I am pretty rough when it comes to my purses and all that. So I can tell you that this has definitely, you know, been thrown around. It is still in really good condition. Pretty structured, but it is still soft because you can still squeeze it. It's not a purse where it's really stiff because it does have some flexibility to it. If you have been looking for a Kate Spade quilted bag, because this does come in 2 different sizes, I think you will be very happy with this because I am extremely happy with this purchase. I will make sure to link it down below. Please let me know your thoughts on the Kate Spade Carey Small. What do you think of it? Is this something that you would add into your wardrobe for the springtime, for summer? Would love to hear your thoughts on it. If you've already picked this up, would love to hear your thoughts on it, how it's holding up for you, and if you have any tips and tricks or any recommendations. Hope you enjoyed hanging out today. Hope you also found this video helpful and entertaining. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.